Hello, in this part we will go over on how to use functions in Excel. So what is a function? Function is basically a pre-made formula for you. Let's try the sum function here. We have some sales in each month. We have sales in January, February, March, April, and May. And this is in thousands of dollars. So we're going to use functions to return the total sales. We're going to use the sum function. So let's try using that. Equals, type equals, and then sum. Here we say get a list of functions. And here the first one is adds all of the numbers in a range of cells. So simply select it by pressing tab. And now we get some arguments here. We have number 1, number 2, etc. And you see this number here, we can pick any number here. Let's pick D8. Then we can use a comma or semicolon depending on your system separator. It is called an argument separator. Okay, so we have number 2 here. You see there's square brackets. That means that this is an optional argument. You don't have to use the argument. We don't have to type anything here. It's simply optional. But see, we'll get 820. So instead of having to individually add the numbers. Okay. So what happens if you just type nothing? We get calc error. Okay. So the recommended way here is to use the arrange here. Use F2 and select this area here. Control Shift down. Close. And we get 1870, which is the total sales. Now we can use the average. Same thing here. Same arguments. Add those together. And we get 374. Okay. And now in this one, we want to count the months. Now there's two ways we can do this. We can either use the count function, but remember, this one only returns numbers. So we have to count these entries here. So we can't count, for example, the months like this, because it only counts the numbers. So another way is to use count A. Count A counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. Tab. And we have 5 months. There's a total of 5 months. Okay, here we have some additional functions. This is the max. Let's say we want to find the highest sales. What is the highest sales number here? Well, it's 700. And the same way we can use min. And we get 120. We can also use median. Returns to median. And return the median here. Okay, so this was a quick overview on how we can use functions in Excel. So in the next part, I will go over on a bit more advanced functions, such as VLOOKUP. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks.